So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Shiba Inu coin, ticker symbol SHIB in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple account, go into your crypto account. Once into your crypto account, go to the bottom here and just press on the magnifying glass. Then when you're on this screen, just scroll down a little bit until you come across trending categories and press on crypto. Then on this screen, scroll down a little bit until you can find the Shiba Inu coin, ticker symbol SHIB. It is the little fox or little, is it a fox or a cat? I think it's a fox right here. Then on this screen, simply just go to the bottom left and press on buy. On this screen, now type in however much money you want to invest into Shiba Inu. I'll just do $1 for this example, then press on continue. Then on this screen, to confirm your order of Shiba Inu, just press on confirm order at the bottom. And pretty much that is how you guys can buy Shiba Inu coin, ticker symbol SHIB in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.